So before starting creating your ebook, there are two things that you have to do beforehand. First, just simply compile all the data that you're going to put inside the ebook, like whatever content you're providing in the ebook. For example, in my case, I am going to create an ebook for the best vegan recipes across the world, and right over here in my Google Docs, I've compiled entire ebook with every single sections like book name, chapters, introduction, and briefing about the chapters, and then the main chapters and the sub-chapters. As you can see, they're all categorized. So I want you to do the exact thing because it will be much easier and faster when you will actually start creating your ebook. So if you want to know how did I get my ebook over here, so it's a very easy process. All I did is just simply create an ebook from ChatGPT by using correct prompts. So if you also want to know how to create a good ebook, just simply leave a comment and we will try to make a video for you. Now, as you can see, I have my ebook ready over here. Now the next thing is choose a perfect template. Now the template that I'm going to choose is from the food niche because my ebook is about food. So your template might be different. It might be about tech, spirituality, health, wealth. It could be anything. So just simply choose the correct niche when you're going to choose a template over here. So in the search panel, just simply search for ebook, then just simply write a niche. Like for my, it's food. So just simply write that and then just simply search for ebook cover food. Then you will get a lot of templates that are suited for your own niche, as you can see right over here. So in my food category, there are a total of approximately 180,000 templates that I can use. So as you can see over here, there are a lot of templates and a lot of them are paid, as you can see right over here, but some of them are also free. So depending on what you have, just simply pick a template. Now in my example, I'm going to choose this template over here. So click on the template and then click on customize this template. And now the entire template is open in front of you. So you can just scroll down and look how it is all designed. So if you want to change the designs and images, obviously you can do that as well. So this is the basic structure of the ebook over here. Now the first thing is just simply increase the size of the page. So just simply increase the size from over here. Now after your ebook is all set up, it's time to start editing. So the first thing that you have to do is just simply change the name and the images and all of the things that you want to change. Now let me show you how to do that as well. Now if you want to change the text brackets or anything inside the text, just simply click on them and the text panel will appear at the top over here. And in this you will have a lot of options like changing the fonts, the size of the font, the coloring of the font, and a lot more settings that you can try. So now it's time to copy and paste because as I said earlier, you should keep the data handy because you will be copying and pasting a lot. So the first thing that I'm going to copy is the name of the book. So it's going to be Global Vegan Delights. So the name of the book might be different for you depending on what type of ebook that you are creating. Now as you can see, the name is way too big, so let's adjust the size. So you can do it manually like this as well by sliding this panel right over here and then decreasing the size from here just like that, or you can use this panel over here as well. So it's totally up to you. So for removing any text over here, you can obviously use the delete option over here by choosing the text bracket, or just simply click on delete on your keyboard and the text will be removed. And after the text is gone, just simply complete the modifications. Now if you want to change the font over here, you can use this panel. So just simply look for the font that you think will be the best over here. So after choosing your font, adjust the next text bracket. Now if you want to change the spacing between text over here, you can also do that by choosing this option. And over here you will have two options, letter spacing and line spacing. So if you use the line spacing, you can see the result over here and the letter spacing will be exactly that. Now what I want is a line between the text over here. So if you want something like this, or if you want any type of shape or line in your ebook, let me show you how to get that as well. So all you have to do is go to the element section and then just simply take a random shape. Now in this case, it's gonna be a simple line over here. So just simply click on that and the line will be in the screen over here. Now just simply adjust it like this and then extend it. So this is what I wanted. So after that, just simply adjust the line by directly holding the line itself, or you can just simply use this option. So if you want, you can move the text a little bit. And now after you have all the things set up over here, now it's time to change the imaging. So it's again a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply first click on the image, then click on the three dots, then choose detach image from background. And now the image is now separated from the background. And now to get a new background, just simply go to elements over here and search for whatever you want. Like for example, a vegan food, and then just simply hit enter. Then just simply go to the photos, and then just simply look for a perfect photo that you would like to put. And now I'm going to choose this image over here. And now I'm going to do the exact thing by making this as a background. So click on set images background, but I have to adjust the titles over here a little bit. So just simply select all of the titles over here and then move it upwards, just like that. And now you will have your book cover over here. Now, over here it is written volume 1, so I'm not going to change it, but if you want, you can write book 1, volume 1, chapter 1, whatever you want. And then the next page in my book is going to be the chapters, as you can see right over here. Now, as you can see, I already have a pre-made chapter section over here. So all I need to do is again, just simply add the chapters of my own ebook right over here and adjust everything over here too. Now, there is a chance that you might have to add a new page or duplicate the exact style over here. Let me show you how to do that as well. So to duplicate the entire page over here, you can just simply choose this option. So if you click on this option, the entire page will be duplicated. And over here, you can change the name of the chapter. Like for example, chapter 8 or 7. It's totally up to you. Then change the name and nothing will be changed over here because it is a duplicate. But if you want to just simply create a blank page, just simply choose this option, add page, and a blank white page will appear in front of you. So this is how you can add a new page over here as well. So now all you have to do is just simply add all the chapters and do all the modifications, and then let's proceed. So now, as you can see, I have designed my content page as well. So as you can see over here, I have added all of my chapters and the conclusion panel as well. Now the next thing is, for you it might be a different thing, but for me it's a small introduction. So all you have to do is just simply add a new page. So I'm going to use this option by clicking on this. There will be a blank page over here. Now all I have to do is just simply add a small introduction. So I'm going to copy this text over here and paste it right over here. Then this will be the heading over here, and the name of the heading will be introduction. So just simply write that, fix the size, and now add the content over here. Now if you want to add any text object over here or a text box just like that, all you have to do is just simply go to the text option over here and then click on add heading. And now just simply add the heading over here. If you want to add a heading or if you want to add a body, just simply choose this one, add a body. It will be the small text over here. And if you want to just simply add a subheading, choose this one. So depending on the style that you are looking for, just simply add your headings over here. So for me, I'm going to use a body text or the little text over here. So the text box have appeared. Now I'm just simply going to copy and paste my introduction. So as you can see, I already have my introduction over here. So I'm going to copy this and paste it right over here. Now just simply align it properly. Now as you can see right over here, the background for these pages are pretty blank. So let's add a background over here, just like this one over here. Or if you want to even use this one as well, but I'm not going to do that. So to add a background, all you have to do is just simply go to the elements panel and just simply search for a background that you want. Now in my case, I want a textured wall background. So I'm just simply going to search that over here. And now just simply look for the background that will suit your ebook. So I think this will suit perfectly. Now just simply make this your background by just simply right click on that, then replace background. And now we have the background. And now let's move on to the next page. Now the next page in my ebook is going to be a small brief description about all the topics that we're going to discuss about. So I'm just simply going to skip this part because most of you might not have this. And let's proceed to the main part where you will have the main chapter, as you can see right over here. So you will again have a pre-made option that you can try. So as you can see, this is chapter 1. Now I'm just simply going to change the name of the chapter, which you will find right over here. Now if you want, you can obviously change the background too. And then after that, just simply begin with your book. And then just simply complete all the pages exactly how I've showed you so far. And then when you're done with all of your ebook pages, all you have to do is click on the share option over here. Then just simply go to downloads. And then just simply choose the PDF print option over here. Then just simply select all the pages over here by clicking on this option. And then click on done over here. And now if you have a pro version, click on the drop down box over here and choose this option. And then just simply click on download. And now just simply wait while your ebook is downloading. So after that, a download pop-up will appear in front of you. So just download it and then you can open it to view it. So as you can see, this is how it will look. So that's how you create ebook in Canva. So if you want to subscribe to Canva, you can just simply use the link given to you in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.